What's up, guys? Derek from Legendary here, coming at you with a crypto and NFT video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. In this video, we're going to be talking about Broadside NFT, a new project coming out on Opensea in partnership with Opensea. So let's jump right in. First off, I've minted one of these. I plan to mint a couple more, hopefully. You can mint up to 5 in the public mint per wallet, and it's currently sitting around 72% minted. So there's about 2,000 of these things left. I wanted to get this video out for anyone on my channel to give them the chance to get into the project if they're interested. I haven't been following it since the very beginning, but I've learned about the people who are involved, and it made me interested to check into it. So one of the founders of Broadside is actually Matt Mason, who is the chief content officer for Palm NFT. So he's huge into the Backhouse project, and just knowing the work they're doing over on Backhouse and how they're good at, using story in the NFT space made me pretty bullish just off the jump. Hearing that Matt Mason is directly involved in this. Also, Caitlin Burns, who does a lot of story for Backhouse as well, is involved in Broadside. So right off the jump, we have two high-powered people in the project who've already proven themselves in another project, which is always good. And the creators of the actual NFTs is Daz3D, who designed the Backhouse as well as other projects like Artifact and a few others. Pretty well known in the NFT space. Super cool designs. And with this combination of, track record with Palm NFT, Backhouse, the quality of people on the team in this project, which you can check out right here. We got Vector Meldrew, great creative, Charlie Stratford Rex, former pirate radio DJ, producer and journalist, published in 20 countries. These guys have been in media, and have the background to do something really cool in the space. On the roadmap, you can see here, they have, 2023 and beyond already set up and laid out. They have airdrops planned for 11 episode NFTs, which you can later burn and combine into a one-of-one book NFT featuring your Broadsider on the cover art, which you'll be able to print and sell copies of. Some of these have features with rare traits from other projects like CryptoPunks, Moonbirds, Goblin Town, etc. And what's really cool is some of these feature full commercial rights. So after this first book, you can continue to tell the story for your Broadsider. Some are Creative Commons, so anybody can, join in that as well, which is cool. So it's a unique storytelling project with some cool, very creative people who understand blockchain technology and have demonstrated just recently through the Backhouse project. They know how to reward holders via airdrops, and that's from licensed IP. So from DC directly, they've been able to influence them or maybe coach them in how NFTs can reward true collectors and fans. I'm sure they'll have much more control and creative, input on this project, which they're launching, which isn't attached to a big IP like that, which might not have all the, boxes and check marks you need to cross off to do something they might want to do. And they can have much more leeway to, tell the story how they want to tell it, reward holders how they want to reward them, and things like that. Even though they're doing a great job over at DC Palm, having their own project is going to be interesting. So I would check it out if you're interested. I haven't minted an Opensea project in quite a while. I had to remember how to do it. So basically, make sure you have a MetaMask wallet. You can set up a brand new one if you want, just not to commingle whatever you have going. Create a brand new wallet. Send some ETH to it. You need 0.07 is the mint price. You can buy up to 5 of these. So that'd be 0.35 ETH plus add a little for gas. So maybe 0.4 ETH if you want to mint 5 of them. Maybe 0.08-ish if you want to do just one. and we'll just go from there. So in the beginning of this project, you basically get a token in your wallet, which is to be revealed this Friday, November 18th. So it's going to be coming very soon. This just launched today. It's already minted out 72%. I don't expect it will last until Friday. So I want to get this out ASAP. I'm pretty sure it may mint out tomorrow, which would be Wednesday. I'm recording this late on Wednesday at 1 in the morning. So just wanted to get this in front of whoever wanted to see this. Check out the nft.dcuniverse.com marketplace. You can see some of the work that DAS 3D has done with the backcals. So click into filter, go to backcal collection, and you can see some of these cool looking designs they've done. I expect the quality to be of the same caliber on Broadside. These are, as they claim, metaverse ready, just like the Backhow project as well. And it's going to be a cool story. So there's 7,290 anonymous heroes. We're going to get 11 episode NFTs and artifacts airdropped. So right off the bat, that's a lot of value just for, the experience of about $80. And it's pretty unique in the NFT space. I don't know if there's been a project like that where you're creating a book where you actually get the rights to publish and sell the book as a holder at the end. And it looks like a cool kind of world they built. So just kind of interesting. Not financial advice. As always, do your due diligence. Check out the team yourself. Look into some of the other projects they've been involved in. And like I said, I'm catching this on the tail end, but I did hear about it before mint, so I wanted to get it in front of you guys. If you're interested, you can check out Broadside on Twitter, Broadside NFT, and they have a link right to the Opensea collection. Also, if you just go to opensea.io, they're featured on the top. So this is in partnership with Opensea, which is, a big deal. They're number one in the space basically for NFTs. So check it out. We're in public sale now, so you can mint up to 5 per wallet. And any questions, they have links to the Discord, Twitter, the website, and you can see Etherscan transactions right from Opensea. So I'll be doing more research myself, but I wanted to get involved from the get-go because it looks pretty interesting and fun. And people from a couple of the projects I'm involved in are jumping in as well because they know the pedigree, and it's going to be a fun time. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let me know about what projects you're jumping into, if you're getting into anything in the NFT space or crypto-wise. I know it's been crazy with this last week with FTX collapsing. A lot of shady stuff going on in the background. Who knows what's coming up next, but we can all enjoy a good story. And when you're just hanging out with friends, having fun, buying what you like, can't really go wrong. So with that being said, smash that subscribe, smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Stay legendary. Catch you on the next one.